Principals, this is a quick screencast to show you how to access resources from Principal Institutes and Leadership Labs in Google Classroom. The first thing you want to do is go to anything Google. It can just be google.com, and make sure that you're signed in with your sandy.net account. From here, you want to go to the waffle or the array and find Google Classroom. When you click on Google Classroom, you'll see the classrooms that you're enrolled in. Our classroom is called High School Leadership 2018 to 2019. If I click there, you will see all the material from our past Leadership Labs and Principal Institutes. If I go to the Classwork button, you'll see that it's organized by date. Now, if I click on these 3 lines over here, I see all the classes I'm in, but I scroll to the very bottom and I can find my settings. In the settings section, you can turn on notifications for email if you choose, or you can choose some very specific notifications you would like to receive. This way, on the morning of a Leadership Lab or Principal Institute, you'll receive an email notification when resources are pushed out to principals. I hope this helps, and please reach out to Julie Garcia, jgarcia@sandy.net, if you have any questions or need additional assistance. See you soon.